What is L-Theanine? My name is Dr. Meredith Astrup. I'm a licensed naturopathic doctor. L-Theanine is a natural supplement frequently utilized to improve sleep and calm anxiety. So what is it? L-Theanine is a naturally occurring non-protein amino acid found in the tea plant Camellia sinensis. It's neuroprotective, mood balancing, and relaxing. So how does L-Theanine work? L-Theanine actually crosses the blood-brain barrier where it binds to glutamate receptors. This reduces glutamate's activity as an excitatory neurotransmitter. So excessive glutamate activity is associated with neuronal damage and neuronal death in some cases and can be associated with mental health conditions. L-Theanine also increases GABA, which is our calming neurotransmitter. It also helps to increase serotonin and dopamine, our mood-enhancing neurotransmitters. L-Theanine also increases something called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This helps to protect the brain and prevent damage caused by high levels of stress, so it's protective. L-Theanine also promotes calm by increasing alpha brainwaves. This is a pattern of brain activity associated with a more relaxed state, and it's also seen in a meditative state. So our other brainwave patterns include beta waves. These are seen when we are fully awake and conscious. Delta waves, these are seen when we are asleep. And alpha waves, these are seen when we are in a relaxed state in both the body and mind, and described as a wakeful relaxation. So L-Theanine can also affect some of the physical effects of anxiety, like lowering blood pressure and decreasing heart rate. So what does the research say? A 2019 study looked at the effect of 200 milligrams of L-Theanine per day on 30 individuals compared with placebo. Stress-related symptoms were measured before and after the 4 weeks of L-Theanine treatment. There was a significantly greater reduction in stress-related symptoms and sleep quality problems in the group of participants receiving L-Theanine than with placebo. Another study in 2013 looked at the effects of 200 milligrams twice daily versus placebo in 20 pharmacy students undergoing a stint in a stressful pharmacy practice. So salivary amylase activity was measured as a marker of stress, and students were asked to self-evaluate their stress levels. Both the salivary amylase levels and subjective anxiety scores were lower in the L-Theanine group than the placebo group. So these are small sample sizes, but they are showing really promising results for L-Theanine. So dosage. A calming effect is usually noted within 30 minutes of taking L-Theanine. The effects will last anywhere between 5 and 8 hours. For anxiety symptoms, 200 milligrams twice a day can be effective. For more severe anxiety, it can be dosed at 400 milligrams twice a day. For sleep, 200 milligrams 30 minutes before bed can be effective for helping someone fall asleep and stay asleep longer. Additionally, drinking tea, Camellia sinensis, throughout the day can also help to promote these calming effects. Tea has between 200 to 60 milligrams of L-Theanine per 200 milliliters. And the combination of the caffeine with L-Theanine has the best results for improving concentration in the research compared with either L-Theanine or caffeine alone. So the combination could be really helpful for cognition. L-Theanine also is very low in toxicity. One study on rodents failed to find any toxic effects at 4,000 milligrams of L-Theanine per kilogram of body weight given for 13 weeks. So very low toxicity with L-Theanine. Side effects, so unlike benzodiazepines, L-Theanine does not result in increased drowsiness, slowed reflexes, impaired cognition, or any kind of addiction. Potential side effects of L-Theanine from the studies include dizziness, headache, and some GI upset. In healthy adults, the amino acids are incredibly well tolerated. However, everyone should contact their physician before starting any new supplements, especially those that are already being treated for any health conditions and that are prescribed any medications currently. Additionally, we're not meant to be on supplements the rest of our life. Like medications, they can be utilized as tools as we do the work to get to the root cause of our mental health concerns through lab testing, lifestyle changes, and adapting new perceptions. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.